Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen, part 2 of how to cook your trotters, gori or payya. Now I'm adding a large onion to my pot. I've already added the oil. These are my whole spices. I've got cardamom, clove, cinnamon, anise and a bay leaf. Some tomatoes, this is 3 tomatoes, some curry leaf and some thyme which I've washed and cut. 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and we want to give this a good mix. I have all of my ground spices, some garam masala, fennel powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and some chili powder. I have a teaspoon of each which I've added in. I'm going in with 2 curry spoons of hot masala. And let's add some water to loosen up that spices. And I'm proceeding with my gori trotters or payya broth and the gori itself, trotters. I keep saying gori because that's what we call it here in Durban, South Africa. And if you watch part 1 of my video on how to clean and prep your trotters before cooking, just makes things so much simpler when you are cooking your trotters. The sugar beans has already been pre-boiled, so the cooking time here for the trotters is about 40 to 45 minutes. Some salt for taste. I would not be adding in any water to this. This is purely the gelatin from the trotters when it was boiling. I'm going to cover this and let it cook till the gravy thickens. And as you can see, the gravy has already thickened and the gori or the trotters is falling off the bone, which is perfect. We want to garnish with some fresh coriander, and there you have it guys, a very simple, delectable, delicious, mouth-watering trotters and beans. This is how I served my trotters and beans with some basmati rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.